Amanda, now party to say, make the come inside bed.
Talk, yes. Talk. We do our own though. If you more live there with the more come inside.
I say make I sleep. I'm not gonna cry. Say why me go sleep.
Guys, unbox. And the lights. Lights go your.
I can see you, but I cannot see your head.
My head.
Your head.
My head.
They don't need to see it.
Unbox on me. Emirates back. Come here, sir. Come here. So they give that this 4. Just water the compost.
Amanda, the people see this perfume. Nobody should touch it. You may pass out the perfume they said. Let them know they make a give out.
Chips. Last part. Third time. Sweet bread. That's a sweet bread. I'm not sure if you got Ghana sweet. Different type. So this is our pizza for 1 week. 1 week.
See that kebab for inside if you spoil, I don't like kebab again for this asset. That kebab yesterday. This are open.
Make them shout too much. You shout too much. What is it? Emma, what is that? I didn't want to find out we want to. second supermarket. So I'm went for another shopping. That's how we shop. This is another shopping. So you got multi tomatoes. This is for food stuff. You got fresh tomatoes. You got this green bell pepper. Also, if you want both yellow bell pepper. You also got more tuna. Just finish using the one you got for first shopping. Yeah. You got Zana's fish, and this fish, and this is cow for Zana's food. More of it. This is more of it. You got more milk. Before we used to buy 1 carton of milk. I don't know why it's speaking it one. One carton of milk. So you got more milk. More of Zana's food. Then my kids love Pringles, so they always take Pringles to school. So you got Pringles, and Pringles. So 1 bag. So we got cornflakes 2 packs. So this is another bag. We got detergent for washing machine. We got more biscuits. Okay, this one is for my son. This one my son likes taking to school. More biscuits. Okay, so this one serves for green and yellow bell pepper. So this is the red bell pepper. And chips and more multi tomatoes. So, so this is second shopping. So always go 2 times. So this is second shopping. So this is it. And he got water, packs of water. So guys, this is our weekly shopping. It has been long I did grocery haul. So I decided to show you guys what we consume weekly. It's not monthly or weekly. So this is what we consume weekly, and even before the weeks runs out, Obi will still go and buy 1 or 2. So that's just it. But some of them, like that of Zana's food, at times takes us more than 1 week, but most of it is 1 week we've consumed it. So we always shop from Conad because that is the closest supermarket, the supermarket that is closer to us. You know, now we are not mobile, we are not driving. Then are you waiting? We are not driving, so going to various supermarkets, we cannot do that. So the closest supermarket is Conad, and that is where Hobby goes to shop. So I showed you guys the first grocery haul. That was still from Conad. So I don't know, I'm going to explain this thing. He went 2 times because it's close to us here. So he went 2 times. The first one was the first grocery haul was the first one I showed you guys. So this other one is the second one, and I didn't show you guys what the water. He bought lots of water. Those ones are the water. He has already dropped them in the garage, so we always leave that one in the garage. So guys, that's just it. This is our haul. I say this is our grocery haul for the week. But yesterday when I and Hobby went to the city, we shopped for African food. We got rice, we got semo, we got indomie, we got indomie. I think we got indomie, yes. We got indomie, we got fresh pepper. We got African food, but not everything, because Hobby will be going for more African food tomorrow. So we got few African food yesterday. So that's how we shop weekly. So I just gave people what we consume as family of 4. I say family of 4. What we consume as family of 6. We are family of 6. 4 children, husband and wife. So this is what we consume weekly as family of 6. What do you know?
She wakes before the sunrise, whispers thanks for one more day. Coffee cup and open Bible, tears of joy along the page. Every fear she thought would drown her lays like shadows at his feet. In the quiet she remembers love that never misses
you're done eating. Hey guys, good morning guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. So guys, it's Saturday morning here, and as you can see, I just finished feeding Zana. She have had a bath this morning. She has freshened up, so I'm done feeding her before I start doing anything I want to do in the house. Hope you guys are doing okay. Good morning from Italy. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. I'm a mom of 4 living in Italy. So today I'm going to be losing my madam's hair. Greatness is angry because she helped me wash plates this morning, but she's 9. She has to start doing it because the last video I made that I told you guys that my teenagers have changed. They don't help in house chores, and majority of you told me to share it for them, which I have done. Thank you for that advice. Thank you, I really appreciate. Just that, you know, when they were coming up, they were always doing it. They know what to do. Then I used to go to church always. If I go to church, before I come back, they clean the house, they dress the house. But coming to Italy, I don't know what happened. Maybe it's because we got them gadgets, and ever since they got that gadget, maybe that is where the laziness came in. I'm a mother that there are things I hide from the public, but there are things I don't hide from the public, especially when I need advice. So that's why I have to share it, so that mothers like me will also advise me and tell me what to do. And many of you, majority of you told me what to do. I really appreciate it. Really, I've shared the house before. That's why you can see Greatness this morning. She washed plates. She has never washed plates since we came to Italy. But when we were in Nigeria, she used to wash plates. But since we came to Italy, I've never allowed her to wash plates because I felt, I don't know what I was feeling. But now I've taken upon myself to follow your advice. I've shared the house chores, so everybody now know what they are supposed to do. And you have to do your job before you pick up your gadget and start using it. I really appreciate that advice. May God bless every one of you. Mothers, our own not go spoil for our hand. Our own not go spoil for our hand. So, you know, children that is being trained here, if you're training them, you have to be cautious, you understand. So that's why I feel when I came in, I gave them as in this freedom, which I never gave them when I was in Nigeria. Because, you know, back home now, if they misbehave, you can raise your cane and flog them. But here, we don't flog children, we only caution them. And my dear, you know, say caution at times it not the help like that. So that's why I believe that's what happened. As I came into this country, I just allowed them do what they want to do, and as children they now capitalize on it, which for now I have changed. No, everybody must go back to the way we were in Nigeria. Do your house chores before you pick up your gadget and start using. So I appreciate that advice. May God bless you all. So guys, I'll take you through what I'll be doing today. I have good news. I'm not going to share this good news till this good news arrive. I'm not going to share it with you guys until I see it. I don't want to share something where we say never enter my hand, but I believe by the grace of God before the end of today is going to enter my hand, and I'm going to share it with you guys. And I told you guys last time concerning our telly. Yes, concerning our telly, God so kind. I don't know what Hobby did. This telly started working again, so we didn't buy the telly again. We didn't buy the telly again. I was so happy because, guys, right now we have so many expenses on our plate, so many things to do, and money is involved. You know, passing your driver, your theory is one thing, and another thing is to pass your practical. So if I exhaust my 8 hours and I am not 100% good, meaning I need to start paying extra money. Sorry. I need to start paying extra money for the practical. So all these things is really taking a lot from my husband, and he's the only one working. You know, he's the only one working. So the money right now for telly, let me not lie you guys, is not there. So I was so happy that the telly came up and I started working again. And so many things like the car, we have to put car insurance, we have to service the car, we have to pay for bolo, that is a road something. So many things. Hobby has really tried it. Today, which is Saturday, they will come and pick up the car. Oh, is it today or no? Today or Monday. On Monday they will come and pick up the car to the mechanic for servicing. So all these things is really consuming money. So the telly for now, where we had no choice. I wish it was spoiled, but God did it. Is working. So this will have to serve us for some time before we can now think of getting another one. But me, I don't want us to get a new telly while in this house. So talk to you guys later. Ciao.
On the page, every fear she thought would drown